A Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers safe for off-roading. Quality Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers are exactly safe for off-roading. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, a trick by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each Toyota Land Cruiser hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle wheel is not placed on any Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers installed. Installed hub-centric Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers are designed with a hub centering in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nuts can hold it first against the mounting plate. These Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for tight fit, providing the minimum chance of vibration. Quality Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers are much stronger as well as for a longer service life, making the best Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers. Ensure safety, and it almost always saves money in road maintenance. BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable for off-road. The hub-centric mandering is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers, and the safer your journey will be. The BONOSS multi-stage Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers will effectively reduce chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, the BONOSS Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dispersion effect and increase safety. Also, the BONOSS active cooling Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.